How to properly wash fruits and vegetables using a few supplies I'm sure we all have laying around in the house. Let's talk about the simple and easy steps, tips, and benefits. Before prep, let's grab our supplies. Here I have pure baking soda, distilled white vinegar, a scrub daddy to clean the harder fruits, strainers, depending on how much fruit and vegetables you are using, containers that can help produce last longer. Oh yeah, and the fruit and vegetables, of course. I'm going to start by placing the softer fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and grapes into a separate bowl. Then I'm going to place the harder fruits into another bowl. Now it is time to get into the details. For the softer produce, add 3 parts water and 1 part distilled vinegar. For the harder fruits or vegetables, pour about 3 cups of water and 1/3 cup baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda do not react properly when mixed together. Using vinegar for the softer fruits helps get rid of 98% bacteria and peptide. Using baking soda for the harder fruits will get rid of the bacteria, fertilizers, wax, and dirt. Let the softer fruits and vegetables sit for about 6 to 8 minutes, and we're going to let the harder fruits and vegetables sit for about 8 to 10 minutes. So we don't want to pass 10 minutes because we want to protect the quality and the taste of the fruits and vegetables. As you can see, the water is starting to change colors. It doesn't look so clear from when we first poured it. The fruit is much more vibrant, appealing, and it's ready to eat. I'm going to rinse the produce about 3 to 4 times to ensure it's clean, removing any bad or old pieces from the party. Let that sit and soak in fresh cold water for about 1 minute and then I'll strain. Now for the harder fruits and vegetables, we're going to rinse, scrub with a scrub daddy, or like I was telling you, a dollar store brush. Rinse 3 to 4 times really well to ensure that all of the baking soda is removed. Washing the produce also helps it last 3 times longer. As you can see, just by the produce soaking in the mixture, that helped remove the wax from the apples, showing the apples in its natural state. So I do have a pro tip. Pat dry all of the produce with a disposable towel because any moisture sitting on the produce can make it go bad faster. So place all of the fruits and vegetables into a safe container that is breathable, like these dollar store containers that I bought, $1 each, of course. This will also help it last longer. Super simple and easy way to help your produce last longer and taste so much better. Give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more wellness and lifestyle content. I'll see you all in the next video.